These are air compressor. This is 1.5 horsepower, Michelin brand, for 11,499.75. They have a smaller one, 300 watts, for 9,799.75. They also have this 2 horsepower. This 2 horsepower for 16,999.75. And they also got the 1 horsepower. You can see 24 liter bar 8, 1 horsepower, direct driven, is 14,499.75. This brand is the 1 horsepower from Houseman. Oilless, 4.2 liter 1 horsepower air compressor for 8,150. And you got the Lotus brand, 1.5 horsepower Lotus air compressor for 23,199. You got the Houseman 2 horsepower built driven compressor for your industrial jobs. This one here on the back is 20,950. So there, it's an 85 liter air compressor, 20,950, 2 horsepower. So you got here the 1.5 from Lotus. You got here the Houseman. And this is the belt driven by Michelin for 33,499. 8 bar 90 liter tank belt driven compressor for 33,499.75. So these are the air compressor available here. I think this one is 8,150, the same as the one that I showed you, which is 1 horsepower. So that's the 2 horsepower belt driven, 85 liters, 2 horsepower. This is the 1 horsepower, 125 psi, 8 gallon maximum, 23,199.95. Again, that's the Michelin 1 horsepower direct driven, 14,499. And this is the 2 horsepower direct driven, 16,999.75. And this is the 1 horsepower 4.2 liter oilless compressor for 8,150. And this is the small compressor, 9,799.75, 300 watts. That's 1.5 horsepower, 11,499. So this one here is the same, the 300 watts compressor for 9,799.75.